If y'all want to see me go from this to this, then stay tuned and make sure to watch all the way to the end. Hi y'all, so we're just gonna get right straight into this video. I'm going to oil my scalp before starting this process. This is my first time doing it, so I'm just showing y'all how I did it. And then I'm gonna take my hair down and make sure I actually detangle it. I believe everywhere else was detangled, but just this section I forgot to do it before taking my conditioner out. And I know y'all see the length. You see the length? Yes, it's called growth. JK. But the first thing I use is a leave-in conditioner for Mayo, I don't know, I never say the name right. And then I go in with the sculpting custard, and then a lot of body mousse, and I do that for every single part. I put the flexi rods in. So I got this set from Amazon like about a year ago. One thing I will say that this set is pretty short. I did have another set of flexi rods that was much longer, and I went with those. So I learned this trick by watching someone's YouTube video where you basically put the flexi rods like that, and then you wrap the hair. You split your hair into two, and then you wrap each side. And make sure you wrap it tightly and properly, or else it will come off when you're sleeping. So just to bring y'all closer in, I just wrap my hair around one side of the flexi rod, and then I fold it up, and then I do the other side, and make sure you do it tightly too as well. So because I needed this to be dry for the next day, because I was doing this like late at night, I blow dried it a bit before I went to sleep, and then you see the next day I blow dried it again before taking it down, and y'all gonna see what happened. So this is the next day, and I'm just unraveling each flexi rods. It looked so good. I believe I used oil when I was separating each flexi rod, but I just removed everything at once before I started separating it. Do y'all see that bounce? You see the curl? See that bounce? But this is where I kind of messed up. You see that big purple one? I should have not used that because it was too big, so it didn't dry my hair and it didn't curl it. You see that big block thing there? We still gonna fix it, but yeah, if I kept it in longer, it probably would have dried. But I should have probably made it smaller or used smaller flexi rods. And I know I look a little crazy right now, but I go ahead and use castor oil, and I just start separating each curls. I was a bit impatient, so I probably didn't separate it properly to keep the curls, but I tried. So this is actually what I did just to temporarily fix that part that didn't curl. I used a curling wand, and even though the curls were looser, it helped. It's better than nothing. So I just did that, and I'm actually going to show y'all a video of what it looked like a couple days later when I actually did it properly. But yes, I still look crazy, but we're going to get to it. So y'all, this is how the curls is looking like after like a couple hours of me taking it out. If you see some white parts, I think it's just the products that I used, that some of it didn't mix well. But this hairstyle is so cute. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna put it up to go to sleep, because I don't know, but I find it so cute. The back one piece did not do well up here. My hair feels so light, and yeah, I was gonna say something. Oh, so it takes this kind of hairstyle, I feel like you have to keep the flexi rods in your hair for about 2 days. You have to put it in for about 2 days, because I actually blow dried it right after I did the hairstyle, and then I blow dried it again today to make sure that it was dry. But other than that, it's such a cute hairstyle. I think you should definitely try it out. If you have shorter hair, use smaller flexi rods, and depending on the length of your hair, you can use bigger ones or whatever style outcome you want. But yeah, this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. If you guys want me to try anything else, let me know in the description down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.